Hi guys, I'm Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 300 MCQs of Indian English, Indian writing in English. This is the second part. In first part I have completed from 1 to 10 questions. This is second part and question number 11 here. So, dear friends, these are some questions from previous uh, एग्जाम्स एंड कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स। तो यदि इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन आपको यूजफुल लगें तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which novel of Mulk Raj Anand was written in Gandhi Ji's साबरमती आश्रम? गांधी जी के साबरमती आश्रम में कौन सा नावल मुल्कराज आनंद ने लिखा हुआ था? दीज फोर ऑप्शंस आर गिवन हियर। ऑप्शन ए अनटचेबल, ऑप्शन बी द डेथ ऑफ ए हीरो, ऑप्शन सी द रोड एंड ऑप्शन डी the sword and the sickle. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is option A. Yes, option A, untouchable. Untouchable is the correct answer. Now second question. Now second question of this video is which is known as the total novel of human experience written by Mulk Raj Anand? Which is known as a total novel of human experience written by Mulk Raj Anand? Option A, The Big Heart. Option B, Morning Face. Option C, Across the Black Waters. And option D, Coolie. So, Coolie is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Yes. Option D, Coolie is the correct answer. Now, question number 13. The first novel in the Seven Ages of Man series by Mulk Raj Anand is option A, The Sword and the Sickle. Option B, The Road. Option C, Seven Summers. Sorry. And option D, Two Leaves and a Word. The correct answer is option C, Seven Summers. Now question number 14. Which of the novel of Mulk Raj Anand shows disintegration of a poor peasant family? Option A, Two Leaves and a Bird. Option B, The Village. Option C, Across the Black Waters. And option D, The Private Life of an Indian Prince. The correct answer is option A, Two Leaves and a Bird. Now question number 15. The Old Woman and the Cow. The Old Woman and the Cow by Mulk Raj Anand shows the transformation of a cow into a option A, lioness. Option B, tigress. Option C, buffalo. Option D, goddess. The correct answer is The Old Woman and the Cow by Mulk Raj Anand shows the transformation of a cow into a tigress. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 16. Which novel of Mulk Raj Anand deal with the trial execution of a Muslim nationalist by the Pakistani raiders of Kashmir in 1947? Option A, Confession of a Lover. Option B, Morning Face. Option C, The Big Heart. And option D, The Death of a Hero. Option D, The Death of a Hero is the correct answer. Now question number 17. Dash by Mulk Raj Anand is about adolescence, poetry and love. Option A, The Road. Option B, Confession of a Lover. Option C, Lamentation of the Death of a Master of Art. Option D, Between Tears and Laughter. The correct answer is option B, Confession of a Lover. Now, question number 18. Identify the story that is not written by Mulk Raj Anand. इनमें से आपको बताना है कि कौन सी है जो मुल्क राज आनंद के द्वारा नहीं लिखी गई है. Which of the novel? Yes. Identify the story that is not written by Mulk Raj Anand. Option A, The Cobbler and the Machine. Option B, The Astrologer. Option C, The Parrot in the Cage. And option D, Barbers Trade Union. The correct answer of this question is the option B, The Astrologer. Option B, The Astrologer is the correct answer. Option option B, The Astrologer is the correct answer. Now question number 19. Ali Ahmad was selected a visiting professor by British Council to serve in the National Central University dash during 1946 and 48. Option A, Nanking. Option B, Osaka. Option C, Peking. Option D, Manila. Option A, Nanking is the correct answer. Question number 20. Out of the following, identify the work of Ali Ahmad. Option A, Tomorrow is Ours. Option B, Black Sun. Option C, Ocean of Light. And option D, When Night Falls. So C, Ocean of Light is the correct answer. Now, dear friends, question number 21. Toru Dutt, Ramesh Chandra Dutt, and Arvindo all wrote on one common theme taken out from the Mahabharata. Identify it. Again, question suniye. Toru Dutt, Ramesh Chandra Dutt, and Arvindo all wrote on one common theme taken out from the Mahabharata. Identified it. Of the four options are given here. Option A, Karan and Kunti. Option B, Nal Damayanti. Option C, Gandhari. And option D, Savitri. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is Savitri. Savitri is the correct answer. Savitri is the correct answer. Now question number 22. Yes. Now question number 22. Listed below are the work of Bhavani Bhattacharya, of which one is his collection of short stories. Identify it. Option A, So Many Hungers. Option B, Shadow from Ladakh. Option C, Seahawk. And option D, A Goddess Named Gold. The correct answer is Seahawk. Option C is the correct answer. Option C, Seahawk. Now question number 23. One of the novel of Bhavani Bhattacharya depict a realistic picture of man-made famine in Bengal and pre-independent India and its better and gruesome effect. Identify it. Option A, So Many Hungers. Option B, Indian Cavalcade. Option C, Music for Mohini. And option D, He Who Rides a Tiger. The correct answer of this question is 20. So Many Hungers. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 24. Which of the following is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee's epoch-making first historical romance? Option A, Kapal Kundala. Option B, Krishan Kant's Will. Option C, The Two Rings. And option D, Durgesh Nandini. Durgesh Nandini. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 25. Which is the first patriotic novel of Bankim Chandra Chatterjee that was written in 1869? Option A, Madhubilata. Option B, Mrinalini. Option C, Durgesh Nandini. And option D, Rajmohan's wife. The correct answer is option B, Mrinal Nandini. Now question number 26, very interesting question, and most of the in exam this question is asked. Identify the most famous novel of Sarat Chand Chatterjee which describe about the son of Bengali Jamidar in love with a village girl of a poor family who after an unhappy relationship with a prostitute, becomes an alcoholic, and dies on his way to meet his old mother? Option A Devadas, option B Srikant, option C Krishnakant Will, option D Anand Math. So option A Devadas is the correct answer. Question number 27. The autobiography of an unknown Indian written by option A V.S. Naipaul, option B S. Radhakrishnan, option C Neeraj C. Chaudhary, and option D Manohar Mal. Yes. So which one is the correct answer? Manohar Mal Gaonkar. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C Neeraj C. Chaudhary. Now question number 28. By inverting E.M. Foster title, Neeraj C. Chaudhary depicted the English way of life gracefully in a travelogue titled option A To Live or Not to Live. ये तो शेक्सपियर जी का था, इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन था, टू लिव और नॉट टू लिव, है ना. ऑप्शन बी अ पैसेज टू इंग्लैंड, ऑप्शन सी द इंटेलेक्चुअल्स इन इंडिया, एंड ऑप्शन डी कॉन्टिनेंट ऑफ सर्कस. सो ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, कॉन्टिनेंट ऑफ सर्कस. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 29. Now question number 29. Neeraj C. Chaudhary got the Duff Cooper Memorial Prize for. Neeraj C. Chaudhary got the Duff Cooper Memorial Prize for option A Passage to India, option B The Autobiography of an Unknown Indian, option C To Live or Not to Live, option D Continent of Circus. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 जो था, बाय इन्वर्टिंग E.M. Foster Neeraj C. Chaudhary इंग्लिश बे एंड ग्रेसफुली. 28 जो होगा, सॉरी, उसका होगा ये पैसेज टू इंग्लैंड. 28 का जो क्वेश्चन का आंसर होगा, अब हाँ, पैसेज टू इंग्लैंड. और क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 जो है, नीरज जी चौधरी गॉट द सुपर, इसका होगा कॉन्टिनेंट ऑफ सर्कस. यस, कॉन्टिनेंट ऑफ सर्कस. Now question number 30. Who wrote The Feast of Youth, The Magic Tree, Strange Journey, and As Way of the Saint? Option A Sri Aurobindo, option B Rabindranath Tagore, option C Harindranath Chattopadhyay, and option D Sarojini Naidu. The correct answer of this question is Harindranath Chattopadhyay. Harindranath Chattopadhyay. This is the last question, dear friends. So if you find these questions very useful to you, then please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of new videos. Question number 30. In which novel does the hero sing the refrain, this is the machine age sons, this is the machine age, we are all men who will master it? These four options: the big heart, the sword and the sickle, option C two leaves and a bird, and option D the road. The correct answer of this is the big heart. The big heart is the correct answer. Big heart. So dear friends, these are some questions. Thank you for watching this video.